Working from home presents unique challenges for all of us. Whether it's struggling with distractions, coping with the blurred boundaries between home and work life, managing stress, overwhelm, and the ability to switch off, or simply feeling disconnected from colleagues. Our research revealed that a third of people are working longer hours than before, and that 73% have had to adapt to new ways of working in the past 12 months. If you have dispersed employees working remotely, it is more important than ever to keep morale up, productivity up, and stress down. The Getting Things Done methodology has been proven to help considerably with all of these. GTD offers a clear, positive focus and practical techniques that will help employees get control of their world, increase productivity and effectiveness, and reduce stress. In fact, 81% of people were considerably or dramatically happier after learning GTD. And in times like these, employee well-being is just as important as business productivity, especially when the workforce is disconnected. GTD is a globally acclaimed productivity and stress management methodology, which is used by some of the world's busiest individuals, high-performing teams, and successful organizations everywhere. The GTD Virtual Delivery Program can support employees working from home in a challenging environment, improving clarity and focus, reducing stress, and optimizing ways of working. Employees can get more done in less time and switch off when they need to. Work smarter, live better. Find out more about our live virtual GTD training for your organization at next-action.co.uk/WFH.